Let's just make a very simple Python script. Okay, and so we're going to ask the user, what is your name? Okay, and we're going to save that, the input, in the variable name. Okay, and so then we just want to say, hello. Okay, and so we can concatenate strings together by using the plus sign. And so I'm going to leave that space in there so it says hello and then the person's name, what they enter. And so that's a very simple Python script. And so I can just save this. And so let's go ahead and just save it. Let's save it in the documents folder. Okay, and we want to save as hello.py. And so just like MATLAB files had a extension .m, Python files have an extension .py. And so we save it. And so you'll know the text also changed color because now Sublime Text knows, hey, it's a Python color. So I'm going to help highlight by highlighting keywords blue and highlighting strings in this green. Okay, so we got this working. And so now we want to go run it from the command line. And so we remember we saved it in the documents. So I'm going to cd into documents. I can hit ls. And we notice that hello.py is in there. Now, if I had a bunch of files and I only wanted to see the Python files, I can do ls star.py. Okay, and so that will list all files, which is the star, that have the extension .py. And so we see we have hello.py. Okay, and so now to run the script, I give the command python3 hello.py, and it will run. It'll say, what's your name? I'm going to say Dan. Hello, Dan. And so our script worked perfectly. And so this is basically how we're going to operate when we're going to run our Python. We're going to write our scripts in the Sublime Text window, and then we can run everything from the terminal window. So one thing we might do is just have another terminal open as well, so we can go up to Shell over in the terminal window and say New Window, Settings Basic. Okay, and that will bring up another terminal. And so the reason to do that is just so we can have a command window to test things out. So I'm going to type in Python 3. It will open this interactive Python, and so now I can test things out. So if I wasn't sure how things would work, I could test things out in this window rather than doing it as a script. So now we have a test window, we have our script, and then we have where we can actually run our scripts. Okay, so now we have Python installed and ready to go. So make sure you go ahead and finish up the data camp videos and lessons so you can better understand the syntax behind Python. And then I'll have a couple more introductory Python videos, and then we'll get started on some problem solving. So thank you guys, and good luck in learning Python this summer.